Hey guys, what's happening? How to go live on Twitch on PC. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click your profile icon at the top right. Okay, and you're gonna see a pop-up like window. Go ahead and click your account settings, or if you are in the main page, go ahead and click the settings in general. And you're gonna see Prime Gaming channels and videos. So we're gonna go ahead to the channels and videos. I'm gonna wait for a few moments, obviously, and basically you're gonna see on the left hand menu, you're gonna see right here channel, and then above it you're gonna see stream. So go ahead and click the stream, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and copy this stream key and add it to your recording device or recording application on your PC, right? Most cases, most creators use OBS Studio, so you can use that to paste the stream key and then start streaming with Twitch. So then, congratulations! Now you started your journey with live streaming on Twitch. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.